I got your question in the email. You want to find the sample size here. Researcher wishes to estimate the percentage of adults who support abolishing the penny. What sample size should be obtained if he wishes to be within 3 percentage points and 99% confidence interval? Use a previous estimate of 25% or 0.25. So, if you go to that one page I mentioned, it gives you directions. You click on Stat, and then you go down to Proportion Stat, one sample, and you go to the width. So go Stat, Proportion Stat, one sample, and you want the width, and this pops up. So the confidence interval level goes here, which is 0.99. You're given this previous estimate, it's 0.25. And one thing you need to know, you want within 3% point. That's the margin of error. The width here is twice that. So twice 3% would be 6%. You got to enter in a decimal. Click compute, and it'll give you that, the sample size you need to meet these conditions with this previous estimate. Of course, then next you're going to do it without an estimate, and you got to put 0.5 in here when you don't have one. Hope that helps.